Welcome to Kongsvang Cleaning Services. With customers all over Denmark, we provide clean and spotless spaces for our customers each day, for both the public and the private sector. Our headquarters can be found in Aarhus, where we started out in 1998. Today we have around 1,000 employees from over 50 different countries. Our staff members are the best representatives of our core values. Today we'll meet 3 of them. Raul is 24 years old and comes from Romania. He's what we like to call an everyday hero. He's in charge of cleaning a school in Aarhus and takes pride in making sure that each morning students and teachers are met by clean rooms and toilets, empty bins and shiny tables and floors. Raul and his wife have bought a lovely house in a little village just outside of Aarhus. Here he repairs old cars and speaks Danish with his neighbours. Raul's Danish is improving each day. This is partly because he gets Danish lessons once a week during work hours at the Kongsvang Academy. At Kongsvang, we believe that all people are fundamentally driven by a wish to contribute. That's why it's our duty to help them make their own money and become an active part of society, regardless of whether they're from Denmark, Romania, or Syria, which is where Mohammed fled from. We want to help and actively contribute to refugee integration, for example through company internships and specially developed integration programs, just like Mohammed was trained as a service employee as part of the integration education, where he also learned Danish. He can now fulfill his dream of being able to provide for himself and his family. And his keen eye for quality has made him a quality assistant, where he now spends his workday ensuring spotless spaces for our customers. Mohammed's mentor is Ralushka. She's living proof of how successful Kongsvang's Academy career ladder is. She also started out as a service employee and then advanced to become an assistant service manager. She is now a service manager, in charge of managing our service employees, and is the primary link to the customer. We always choose the best qualified employees regardless of age, gender, or nationality. Our skilled and passionate staff members are characterized by their motivation and hard work, and together with our customers, they establish a valuable cooperation. That's what makes up our Kongsvang's DNA.